Hey there, fellow content creators. Today we're diving into the world of YouTube niches and how to find success in this vast digital landscape. Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers gain millions of views and subscribers with just one video? Well, it's not just luck or chance. They all apply a proven strategy, and today I'm going to share it with you. But before we get started, let's build a sense of community. Drop a comment below and share your own success story or a challenge you've faced in content creation. Let's support each other on this journey. Now, let's talk about finding your niche. It's not as simple as copying someone else's viral video and expecting the same results. Success on YouTube requires skill and passion. So start by identifying your passion and choose a niche related to it. This will keep you motivated and engaged in your content creation journey. Once you've found your niche, it's time to focus on improving your skills. Forget about views and subscribers for now. Instead, concentrate on honing your craft. Learn one thing at a time, master it, and then move on to the next skill. In a few months, you'll have a treasure trove of knowledge that you can apply to any niche you choose. Now let's address the question of video length. When starting out, I recommend creating short videos to build your subscriber community. Short videos tend to receive more impressions, which will help you grow your channel faster. Once you have a loyal following, you can direct them to your longer videos for more in-depth content. Next, let's talk about the type of content you should create: repurposed or original. While repurposed content may increase your chances of going viral, it won't help you build a loyal fan base. No one will recognize you if you're just copying someone else's work. You'll only be making them famous, not yourself. So, I highly recommend creating original content. This will help you establish your own unique brand and build a dedicated fan base. But what if short-form content gets banned in the future? Don't worry. By creating original content, your subscribers will recognize you through your unique style and personality. You can guide them to your longer videos using any social media platform. Building a loyal fan base is key to long-term success on YouTube. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. We all start somewhere, just like babies who are born without clothes. But with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve great success. So keep fighting for your dreams and never give up. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and start creating amazing content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community here on YouTube.